The Kilpatrick Lane 12x12 gazebo was sold at Walmart and Orchard Supply Hardware. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number GO50018AG. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 12x12 square and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are round frame posts, ornate design with vertical bars at bottom of each corner fence panel, ball ornament at top of each post of corner fence panel, arched bar at each corner post. The canopy attaches by corner and side pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Kilpatrick Lane gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We are here to help.